Minnetonka schools, 3 bedrooms on 1 level, including a primary ensuite bathroom, a huge fenced-in backyard, under $500,000. We're so excited to present our latest listing at 19079 Broadmoore Drive in Eden Prairie. Come check it out. I'm so excited to show you the inside of this wonderful home. We're here in the main level, this vaulted ceiling, sun-drenched through all these windows. It's a beautiful space. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including a primary suite with a beautiful ensuite bathroom, vaulted ceilings, plenty of space. The main family room is on the back side of the house. Directly outside is a brand new maintenance-free deck, a huge fenced-in backyard, plenty of space for all the activities. The cozy basement would be a great space for a playroom, a hangout area, or really anything you could imagine.